Don, how you doing?
Marvelous.
Hey, we're just sitting here in the rig and hanging out with the dogs. We got Mango there. Hey, Mango. And there's Rosie. Rosie. And hey, we just put together a new intro.
We did.
Yes, and we sang an original song.
Yes, it only took us about, I don't know,
Well, you know,
24 hours.
Couple hundred takes.
No
But
kidding.
anyway, in case you didn't know, we changed our name from Adventures in Xanadu
Right?
to RV BFE.
Right.
And if you don't know what that means, you know, I'm sorry. We had enough trouble with Xanadu. I'm not explaining BFE.
You're gonna have to figure it out,
But
man.
listen, hey, we do appreciate and respect your comments, though. And so, hey, if you like this intro, let us know. If you don't, let us know that too.
yeah,
you know?
we can take it.
Sure, we can block you or something. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to roll the new intro. The GPS says leave the road, the compass, she ain't no good. Man, we're really out here in this backwoods. Some say it's the boondocks, some say it's off
Don't get
grid.
that tree.
We're Bear and Dawn, we're
RVBFE,
We're Bear and Dawn, we're RVBFE. Get out there!
Get out there.
Toodaloo! Now I'm doing your line. Man,
Toodaloo.
I'm going to have to get you a teleprompter.